GCSE Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about the lungs. Lungs and gas exchange. Inhalation means breathing air into the lungs. Exhalation means breathing air out of the lungs. This diagram shows the structure of the lungs. The trachea connects to the bronchi. These narrow into bronchioles and end with alveoli. Alveoli have a specific shape. This gives it a large surface area. Alveoli have many capillaries around them, so they diffuse oxygen into the blood more easily. The lungs are found in the upper part of the chest called the thorax, above the diaphragm. The function of the breathing system is to move air into and out of the lungs. The function of the lungs is to exchange gases into and out of the bloodstream. During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and flattens, the intercostal muscles contract so the ribs lift upwards and out. The volume of the chest increase, lowering the pressure of the thorax. This causes air to flow into the lungs to equalize the pressure. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and rises, the intercostal muscles relaxes so the ribs move down and in. The volume of the chest decreases, increasing the pressure of the thorax. This causes air to flow out of the lungs to equalize the pressure. There are differences in the gases inhaled and exhaled. Inhaled gases contain around 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen and less than 1% carbon dioxide. Whereas exhaled air contains 4 to 5% carbon dioxide, 16% of oxygen and 78% nitrogen. Gas exchange takes place in the alveoli of the lungs. In the alveoli, oxygen passes into the blood through the process of diffusion. Carbon dioxide also passes from the bloodstream into the lungs through the alveoli. The movement of oxygen from the blood into the cells also occurs through the diffusion. This occurs because there is a high concentration of oxygen in the blood and low in the cell, so the oxygen moves from the area of the high concentration to the area of low concentration.